Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Bhushan sir, looking at the picture right now, ma'am ke haath mein that certificate is there. How do you feel? Tell us. And the way she took it, that was like, मतलब वो motherly love was like दिख रहा था मुझे. जी.
उन्हीं की ब्लेसिंग से है तो ऑब्वियसली उन्हीं को ये चीज़
जी.
रिसीव करनी चाहिए.
Of course. Of course. Vinod sir, we know that you worked with Gulshan sir also, you know, and you worked closely with him. So मुझे please थोड़ा सा उस समय का बताइए because a lot of people would not know, you know, a lot.
He was a guru, simple. And what we see now is all his blessings.
Yeah.
He used to always say that, you know, content is king. And he was the king of music.
Yes.
This is all because of his blessings, as I said. But, you know, a tight hug for this man here. You know, at the age of 19 years, boss, it's very difficult to run a family business without a patriarch. And what he has done, he's an excellent son, a father now, you know, a brother, husband, and an excellent human being. It's not easy to make so many families of T-Series working, you know, there and making sure that I am here, don't worry. I need your support, but we'll make it happen. I'm so happy, I don't know, I really am short of words, but today when we say that in the world, it's T-Series who has the biggest channel,
Yes.
it can't make me happy more than this. I mean, 25 years, I would say, my journey with T-Series when I joined 94. If it ends tomorrow, I'll be happy.
Oh, that's a big thing to say. You know, like father, like son, as I said, because valuing the people who work for you, who work with you is very important. Gulshan sir भी यही कहते थे और उनका भी यही मानना है. उसके ऊपर what do you have to say? Like the companionship, वो जो साथ है.
See, I mean, he can even choose to take a decision and say, you have to do this.
Okay.
Boss, right? Huh? Owner. But I have never seen him do that. He values, you know, the people who are there with him and make sure that, okay, fine, if you think that, you know, something is to be added or probably if you are not going right or something, that's where. So, I mean, working hours and, you know, what all, or anything in the field when we go out to work. And it's not about me, I think all the entire, my team also, my team, Neeraj's team, Shiv's or anybody, you know, from the company. We have just one goal, that let's do whatever it takes to make our Saabs. So Gulshan ji was our Saab and will always be there. His dream to become number one, and we have to unconditionally support the man here.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, boss, he's been the best guy I have known. Not because of his age, he's younger to me here, but I want to salute him.
अरे thank you.
Very well said. And you know, whenever we talk to Vinod ji about Gulshan sir, so he's always addressed him as Sahab. So that is something that has always, you know, been with us. And kabhi bhi posts dekhte hain hum social media pe ya kabhi bhi, so that Sahab, you know, salute to the great guy, ladies and gentlemen. Zordar taaliyan Gulshan sir ke liye aaj. I'm sure he'll be very happy. And because of his blessings, this is where we've come. So this one's for you, you know, taking care of the legal and the digital. This is a big digital accomplishment. What do you have to say?
It's a huge honor for us.
Yes.
Is it working?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a huge honor for us. And along with it, it actually brings a lot of responsibility on our entire shoulders. And I call all of us as a bunch of mavericks.
Absolutely.
The way we have been working and the way he makes us work, he is a very hard pusher. he pushes it really hard. He's a hard taskmaster. But hats off to him. The way he has always driven us, all because of him.
Wow. And he's not complaining, sir.
I'm not complaining at all. I love that.
Yeah,
I love that
wanted you to add
pressure. I love that pressure all the time.
Right. Great accomplishment one more time.
Thank you.
Congratulations on that.
Thank
You
you.
know, this one's for you, as we were talking about, from number one music company, now the biggest production studio. So what do you have to say? 20 films a year, what are we doing?
बाल उड़ गए.
Something. 2 साल पहले की इसकी तस्वीर देखना आप Facebook
We call him
पे.
as Bahubali of films.
Before and after इसका फोटो दिखाना चाहिए.
It is a great achievement, and we are all proud of this.
Right.
With bunch of people where there are corporates who are having a good team, not able to do so many films in a year, with our limited strength, but we are passionate about it. We are able to achieve this 20 films a year, and more to go.
Right. One very good thing about Bhushan ji that inspires you a lot. कि ये है.
Everything about him inspires me. He has taught me actually where I am now. So after our studies, when we started
Right.
together, he has pushed me for each and every department in this company to learn, to uh, learn and grow more in this field. And 2 years back when I came here, I did not know even an ABCD of a production. And today we are handling 20 films, all because of